Hi, I'm Joe Quinn with Chestnut Park Real Estate. Let me talk about the official plan and where it kind of doesn't sit very well with me at this time. Official plans have to be updated every so many years, but in this particular case, the official plan was mostly implemented and worked on through a small committee of people that got involved when they heard, but this was a public process that was done during COVID, and the township office was closed. If you knew about this, you couldn't get in to see how it affected your property usage and rights. So I really think the process wasn't very public and done in a time when we shouldn't have been doing public processes. And other townships chose to not do it at that time and wait till the COVID thing was over. The other thing is we have some very activist groups that are against development that seem to be very instrumental in taking away people's property rights. And a lot of those people have all the things that they're trying to not allow somebody else to have. It also leads to a big problem when you're out listing a property where either somebody's done an improvement or bought it with an improvement, to where some of the township elected people or township bylaw people are looking at the MLS pictures online and seeing infractions and acting on them. And as a realtor today, we're made do full videos, full photography, and these people, the township inspectors, whether the people should or shouldn't have it, are acting on this. So I think that I have to make my sellers aware of the potential exposure and liabilities when they're just trying to sell a property that either they did something on a day when they thought they could do it, or bought it that way and it was fine on the day. So it's really could be costly. It could end up in legals. If a buyer's bought something and it's there, and then before closing they find out they can't have it, or there's some stuff that has to be taken out, or a process to go through to have it. It takes a lot of time and money, and these are big concerns. So to be out showing, listing, or selling real estate today, it's a very hard technical thing, and I wish there was more clarity on this, and that a lot of the property owners would study up and realize the rights that the township or the official plan are trying to limit and take away from them.